Wall Street winners. It is Tuesday, December the 2nd. We're into the December trading session, and there really is not a great deal of news this morning. However, the markets are in the green and up. Most of the S&P 500 growth is just due to NVIDIA. About half of it, if not more, is due to the movement in NVIDIA. You'll see here that retail was primarily in the red, or is primarily in the red at the start of the market, but it looks like in many cases it's coming back. If I were to be interested in retail, which I'm not right now, I'd be looking at Costco on a pullback or Walmart on a pullback. I really like both of those companies, but I don't like them as much as many others out there. So I'm only saying that if you're interested in some diversity in that sector of retail. VST is making a small comeback, but it dropped about $5 yesterday, closing or opening close to 180 and down at 175. So it's one of the few. If you're looking for something interesting in utilities, oil and gas, other than Vistra, which I do like Vistra, I think it will pop because AI seems to be getting a bit of a boost right now overall. But I like Con Ed, symbol ED or ED, down in the 97s. I think this is going to go to 103, 104 probably by January, maybe before then, with some rebalancing in December with different funds out there. Going into tech, most of tech is up and in the green. We had some incredible results yesterday from MongoDB. I should have highlighted this yesterday as something to watch. I was watching it, but I stayed on the sidelines. I did not get in on this one, and I missed a huge jump here after it had an earnings beat and surprise to the positive. It's up $79, almost $80 in the morning session. AVGO Broadcom dropped a significant amount yesterday, and it is really the leader in the S&P 500 this year. On a pullback, this could be an interesting one to pick up because they are the maker of many of the chips out there from the different chip manufacturing companies, including Google's TPU chips. And then Meta had a great day yesterday. And again, it's up slightly. I'm not a fan right now of Tesla, even though it's up today. I think that it is trading at valuations that are way higher than it supports based on its current sales and brand in the marketplace. Google, super strong, still a lover of Google. And then you can see NVIDIA there up $4. And that's really what's lifting the overall index. Instead of, or in addition to NVIDIA, I really like TSM. It's up today as well. And I bought some yesterday. I think that TSM, again, a manufacturer of many of these chips, orders booked out through 2026 as an incredible runway ahead of it. I think this will be easily a $400 stock by the end of 2026. So that's a pretty good 33% return potential there. And then the other one I played yesterday a little bit, I was in and out of HOOG, which is the grand share or the 2 times leveraged HOOD, which is Robinhood. I love financials, but they have had a bit of a run, and I think some of them are a little overpriced. I'm waiting for Google to drop down in December into the 780s. And if it does, I'll be buying that ahead of earnings in January. That's where we are today. Good luck in your trades. And if you like the videos, please hit the like and subscribe button.